we have a flower bed with a path around it. The flower bed measures 10 by 6. Those are the inside dimensions. It has a path that is 2 meters wide around it. Our job is to find the area of that blue shaded part. So I know the area of the flower bed must be 10 by 6 because that's how wide and how tall it is, or the base and the height of it, which comes out to 60 meters squared. If there's 2 on each side of it, this distance here would be 10, 12, 14 meters. And if there's 2 on both of these sides, we would have 6, 8, 10. So the area of the whole thing is 14, the base, and the height of 10, which is 140 meters squared. But I don't want the whole thing. I just want the blue part. So I'm going to take the whole area and I'm going to remove the flower bed because I don't want that piece. I just want the blue part. 140 minus 60 is 80. So 80 meters squared.